Good Monday, everyone. Our Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union weather headlines: heavy frost tonight and into Tuesday morning. If you've got something you've been holding on to that you want to save one more time, you better make sure it's taken care of tonight. A streak of quiet weather is in store for us before unsettled weather returns again by Friday. Today's level of concern, 0. No weather worries, just after this morning fog burns off. So some of y'all are seeing some dense fog this morning that will burn off by mid-morning. Clear your closet and blind brings us our 5-day forecast. Got that gradual clearing taking place today. Clouds can be stubborn this time of the year. They really like hanging out here on the plateau, but I think they'll start breaking up by the afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s. Just a light northwest breeze. Overnight lows tonight in the low 30s. Some of y'all may dip down 31, 32-ish. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the low 60s. Wednesday and Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid to upper 60s. Overnight lows hanging out around 40, then getting up into the mid-40s by Thursday night, and that's ahead of our next storm system that'll bring some gusty winds on Friday. Southwest winds 15, gusting to 25, helping bring in some warmer, more moist air that will lead to some scattered PM showers and thunderstorms, 50% chance for those. It looks like those will be later in the day on Friday. Right now, the first half of the day looks fine. It's the second half of the day that's looking a little questionable, especially as we go into the overnight hours. And that'll keep overnight lows in the mid-40s. Wycott Realtors bringing us our extended threats, and just keeping an eye on Friday, Saturday time frame. Could have some strong storms in that mix. The Storm Prediction Center is keeping an eye on that, as well as myself. We are in our secondary peak of severe weather season, so we always got to keep an eye on those fronts. That could bring some cooler weather by the 10th. That could give us some flurries. We'll keep an eye on that. There's a system coming through that could definitely make snow showers for the Smokies. We'll see if we get anything out of that. And then again, another system the next weekend, just off and on systems as we go through November, and we'll be keeping an eye on each and every one of those. On this day in weather history, brought to us by B&H Storm Shelters, that 1966 snowstorm has come to an end. Cookeville ends up with 15.2 inches, the greatest one-day snowfall ever for them. That also happened in Woodbury with 13 inches and Livingston with 10.5 inches. Crossville had 7, if you remember from yesterday. Jamestown 11. 2003, an unseasonably warm spell brings record warmth to the mid-state. Nashville hits 82. Crossville hits 79. A far cry from where we are today, that is for sure. You folks have a wonderful day. I'll be traveling. I'll let you know where I'm going to in tomorrow morning's YouTube update, so stay tuned for that. Where is Meteorologist Mark headed off to? It's a work trip, so it's a work conference, but I'll let you know where I've landed in tomorrow morning's YouTube update. Meanwhile, if you want any more weather information, download that Meteorologist Mark app. It's in your app store for free, or just go to meteorologistmark.com.